Welcome to my channel. My name is Shahid and today we are going to talk about Instagram. And in Instagram today we will be talking about how you can increase the views on your Instagram stories. So I will give you some methods which is genuine and that will work for you as well as it worked for me. And that's how you can get more views no matter you have followers or you don't have that much followers, but still you will get the views. So how we will do it without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, as you open your Instagram and here you will take a picture. So any picture, like it's early in the morning here, so I will take a picture of this beautiful scenic view. So when I take a picture like this, and then what you need to do is there is a menu up there. There are like stickers. You can save this image to your phone storage as well, but what I will do, I just click on the stickers and here you will see location and mention, hashtag, and many things you can do with your picture and edit as a story. So first of all, the most important thing is to add a location. So here when you click on the location, so the picture I took here is, right now I'm in Thailand, so this is the district called Plok Dang. So I will click on Plok Dang. So as you can see, this is the area. So that will give you more exposure to the people, to the local people. This picture will be shown, this story will be shown to the people who go to the discover section in the Instagram, and this will be mentioned to them, so you can get more exposure to people. So that's why you can get more views, and at the same times they can even follow you if you are posting very good stuff. So and you can drag it and make it small and drag it to a corner. So the next thing, very important thing, is to mention someone. So if you have like friends and you want to mention them, but keep in mind that the account should be not a private one, it should be a public one, so you can mention them. So suppose I want to mention someone here. So let's suppose this person, and I mention, and just use your two fingers, make it smaller and bring it down. So when you mention someone, so the picture will be shown to them and then they can like it. So you can mention as many as people you want, or your close friends as well. So another thing is the hashtag, which is the most important one. So suppose the hashtag for this picture is morning. It's early morning, so I will add morning vibes. So as you can see, Instagram also give you more option, and they give you suggestion to what you can put. If I want to add another hashtag, so I can do like morning coffee. I guess you like the morning coffee. So that is how you can add as many as you want. This is how you can get more exposure, because when you go to, I will show you later in this video that people who add hashtags to their Instagram stories get more view than the people who don't mention anything or don't add the hashtag in their videos or any Instagram picture. So this is how you can do it. So as you can see, we add hashtags here, we add the location, and we mention some person. So then you will just click on the send to option at the bottom, and when you click on the send to option, there is like your story. So just click on your story, share your story, and then your story is already been shared. So now let's see the thing that I want to tell you. So my story is actually edited like here, and right now I cannot see any views, but it will get the views because it's just posted right now. So the things that I tell you is there is like the search option. When you click on the search option here, you can see there are many categories like travel, architecture, decor, art, food, style, TV, movies, and everything. So if suppose I click on the travel option, so here as you can see in this travel option, as you can see, many people have posted their Instagram stories here and they use the hashtag travel. Suppose this one I will click, and as we go down and as you can see the views, it get a lot of views, and click on the more, and as you can go down, I just want to show you here you can see that they add the travel, the hashtag travel, hashtag beaches, hashtag Australia. So you can add many hashtags as you want, and that way you will get more views on Instagram stories. Guys, this was about how to increase the views of Instagram stories. So if this video helped you, please like our channel and subscribe our channel as well. For more informative video, please stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know?